Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to STENO 24/7. This is from the Pittman Speed Building. The name of this particular dictation that I am reading is Wall Sockets. It is at 100 words per minute, 290 words. So this is going to be wall sockets at 100 words per minute. Just to break it down and make it, really simple. Okay. Feet flat on the floor, sitting up straight. Focus. And let's write. When electric lights were first installed some 20 years ago, the light was turned on and off by a simple key adjusted in the lamp socket. This idea still prevails in many sockets, although the mechanism has been improved. Key sockets are all right in every way, but they are far from being the most convenient. Where key sockets are installed, it is necessary to group around in the dark for the lamp before the light can be turned on. To obviate this nuisance, the wall switch was brought out. By the aid of small switches, it is possible to turn on the lights before entering the room. The switch is located beside the door, and the lamp can be placed on either the ceiling or the side wall, or in any desired spot, irrespective of the switch which controls it. The wall switch is a very simple device designed to make and break the circuit. It consists of a loop of wire running up to the lamp circuit, wherever that may be, and it is operated by a small key. The current must flow through the switch before it can reach the lamp. The current at the lamp socket is turned on continuously, so that when the key is turned at the switches, the connection is made and the lamp lights. Another half turn of the key breaks the circuit and turns out the lamp. These wall switches can be located where most convenient to the occupants of the house. Electric lights in the house would not be nearly as convenient without them. With suitable switches, the entire house can be lighted from the front hall of any floor at any time the rooms are to be illuminated.